Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. True Roadrunner, guys, RM VIN. It has the matching numbers, 383 engine and 727 Torqueflite automatic trans in it. Neat car. We bought the car out of Alabama. We've actually sold this gentleman a car, bought a couple of them from him. He's a Mopar guy, but this is just a good straight. It has been restored. It's an older restoration, but kind of been left pretty original. Car was restored, I think he said around 07. I think we've got some photos of the resto. Factory R4 red car. So this is the original color for the car. It's got the black performance hood striping, black vinyl top, black interior. And again, matching numbers, engine and trans. Cool car, very cool car. Really hits the road nice. Now this stuff here looks original. You can see that grill, that trim there, it all looks original here. Car's only showing 69,000 miles, supposed to be the right miles. Bumpers look good. Again, it's got the black performance hood striping. We're rushing a little. We're dodging raindrops. We got storms headed in there, so I'm rushing a little bit here. This is a good car, though. Like I say, hits the road good. We're gonna have to check on the AC. It's got factory air. Like I say, we just got the car in. It's got the pop-out rear windows, and we can't get the AC to come on, so we'll check it. Looks like the factory rear glass, which is in great shape. Floors looked original, quarters looked original. Those taillight bezels are beautiful. Nice and straight down the sides, car sits good. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it with the 14-inch rally wheels. It's got the correct chrome tips. Guys, I cannot stress to you enough right now, with all the scams going on, if you are not on our website, southernmotors.com, I would highly suggest that that's where you only look at our cars, southernmotors.com. That is, oh, my boys missed a little wax there, if you see that in the photos. A lot of scams out there right now, so make sure you're on our website. And we advertise all over, but pick up the phone. With the phone number here is 248-620-3355. Call my guys. They'll go over every car with you. Again, matching numbers, 383 cubic inch engine. They're 335 horse. Does have a new Edelbrock carburetor on it. The original one's in the trunk. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. They've changed out the radiators. Got aluminum radiator with electric fans. Again, we will check on this AC and see if we can get it to work. Matching number 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Original fender tags here. Also, your original VIN is up there on your core support. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, manual drum brakes, which is the way these came. Good car. Love the R4 red. It really pops. I wish we had some sunshine, but I'm just excited to kind of get this car advertised because we're going to be dealing with rain, unfortunately, the rest of the day. Love the black performance hood striping. 8-pillar chrome. Definitely looks original. You can nitpick that a little bit. Mirror looks original. Stainless and stuff looks good. I think that'll come off there. Looks like it's got the original door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. I think this is the original interior too, guys. That looks original to me. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. Headliner looks good. Little crack in your steering wheel there. Factory dash. 69,325 if you can see it. And that stuff all looks original. Factory AM FM radio. They put some aftermarket gauges under there, but my son doesn't even think they work. I think they're using the factory ones. Dual H-pipe, dual exhaust system in it. It's got an 8 3/4 323 shear grip rear axle. Jack with spare. Again, there's your original carb. Let's do this without ripping out all the, see, it's all body color in here. Looks like it's got the original insulation on your quarters. Everything opens and closes nice. Remember, we own all our own inventory, guys. I own all the cars here. They're not here on consignment. You know, I buy stuff that I would park in my driveway. The car's clean underneath, the floors look good. That doesn't mean they're perfect. I have personally bought and sold over 7,000 cars. I can tell you I've never seen a perfect one yet. Got all, like you say, all the correct seat belts and stuff. Seats look good. Like I said, I really think those are original, guys. Dash got a couple little marks in it as you walk through it. Good car, man. Seems to run out really good. Drives down the road nice and straight. Good looking car. And the gauges are all functioning up there. This taillight does some really nice. Those, somebody may have changed those. Backup lights work. You can see the choke works. Radio, it's just not catching the station anything. Okay, so it's got power. Wipers are working slow. Check them. Oh, we got a turn signal on. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. That's a good looking bird right there, man.